invitation. Oh, prepare to meet thy God. Careless soul, oh, heed the warning, for your life will soon be gone. Oh, how sad to face the judgment, unprepared to meet thy God. Why so thoughtless are you standing, while the fleeting years go by, and your life is spent in folly? Oh, prepare to meet thy God. Hear you not the earnest pleadings of your friends that wish you well, and perhaps before tomorrow you'll be called to meet your God. If you spurn the invitation to the speech